Hi there, it's Anne again. It's a beautiful day outside here, but a little windy, so I'm going to go inside to start painting. Let's get to work on those blueberries. Hi, we're back to our bowl of blueberries, and today I thought we'd put in the darker tones just in the background, basically where you can't really see a berry, but you know there are more berries underneath. That would be through here. What I've got on my brush here is some ultramarine blue, but it also has just a hint of violet added, because after all, blueberries work their way through from pink to dark blue as they ripen, so there's always a hint of that purpley color in there. Okay, the other place that is going to be really dark is around the edge of the stems, or where the stems came from. We'll just put a hint of that in. There we go. And don't forget that you've got berries down on the table to work on. I might go back and make this even darker after I'm done. And I'm also going to make the bottom edge of these berries, at least give them a first coat while I'm here. And that's where I'm going to leave it for today, I think. Tomorrow we'll come back and maybe we'll start working on that bowl. Just give it a hint of some shape, just for a change of pace. Okay, we'll see you then. And that's that. I'm back outside because it's irresistible. But join me again tomorrow and we'll continue working on this painting. And until then, please like, subscribe, leave us a comment, all that stuff. And remember that Danny and I love and appreciate every one of you. Bye for now.